Hello, comrades. How are you doing today? What we're going to be talking about is how I gave birth to a high ticket coaching offer so that you can too have an amazing offer yourself. And I'm going to walk you through the exact process using the prompt I developed. So basically, you will be watching me creating a high ticket coaching offer, how I think about it, what it takes, and so on. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. And to start with, my name is Arkady Konstantinovsky. I know, very long second name, don't know why I have it. I was a high ticket coach for the past 4 years. I made more money in 1 month than I made in a whole year, collected over 80K in cash, and that all without running a single ad, relying on referrals, or posting a ton of content. I now create this content to share some no BS money making strategies for high ticket coaches so that you can make some cash too. Got nothing to sell you, so enjoy the video. My goal for today is to walk you through the process that I take in order to create an irresistible offer without thinking too much and using ChatGPT for that so that you can have an offer that rock and rolls as well. Let's go. Why is it important? Why is it important to have a high ticket offer? Why is it important to create an offer? And what does it even mean to create one? So, over the years of being a coach, we changed a total of 6 different offers and countless variations of those 6. And each and every one of them got us different results. Our first ever offer was Achieve Balance Through Personal Transformation. I know, sounds fancy. Our second offer was Let's Overcome Procrastination and Achieve a Life of Balance. Our third offer was Start Living a Life of Balance in 90 days or less. Our fourth offer was self-love. Start saying no to energy drainers and yes to your own needs. Our fifth offer was living your purpose. Throw off the role society put on you and be your authentic self. Our sixth and final offer was live life to the fullest during menopause. Overcome your menopausal symptoms naturally without HRT, medications, or pills. As you may see, out of those 6, the one that really generated us results and allowed us to make 80K was this. I know, we had to change 5 different offers until we found the one that actually works. And as you may see, they were all different and they brought us different results. So what I want to cover is, what is an offer? What does it mean to create an irresistible offer? Because everybody says create an offer, have an offer, make it irresistible, but nobody really explains what it is. And so in reality, I paid thousands of dollars to learn that, by the way. It's a combination of many things, but mainly it consists of wording. For example, I help men lose weight. It consists of pricing, for example, $1,000. It consists of your niche/market, for example, men in their 20s. It consists of a problem you solve for your clients, which could be weight gain. It consists of a time frame, which is different for everyone, but let's say 90 days, and a method of some sort through intermittent fasting. There is more to it, but those are the main points. And why do these points matter? Well, because if we don't word ourselves properly, no one will notice us. If we aren't priced properly and we aren't confident about our price, no one will buy from us. And if we don't know who we target, or worse, we try to target everyone, we won't find no one. If we know who to target, but we don't know what are they struggling with, how can we help them to start with? And if we don't know how long it takes for our clients to get results, our clients will go with someone who can give them more certainty. Last but not least, the method is not the most important point, so how you solve it, but if we do have one, it makes our life so much easier. So sales calls, wordings of the offer, and so on. Now, once you have those in place, all of a sudden your business becomes so much clearer to you and it becomes way easier to operate it because you don't have to double guess anything. And now that we know that and we have that good pre-frame, let's jump straight to creating an offer. So in the description down below, you will get this prompt in a Notion document. As you may see, it's all big and nice and tasty and all that kind of good stuff. What we want is, we want to take it, not like that, we want to copy the whole thing, and we want to paste it into ChatGPT, like so. For the purpose of this video, I will be creating an offer for a weight loss niche, for example. Let's make a weight loss offer. So question number 1, what are your top 3 to 5 competitors in your industry right now? Now here is the thing. If we don't know that to start with, and most people don't, we are already losing out because we need to know our competitors. So how do we find our competitors? Well, for that, we can actually use another ChatGPT and we can just ask, can you name me top 5 weight loss coaches that are the best in the industry as of 2025. And we're gonna get a list. It's gonna search the web, and you can use any other chatbot, by the way, DeepSeek, all that kind of stuff. And we are finding that there are, look at that, menopause specialist. Nice. So we're getting those 5. Now, I am not entirely sure that those are the best as per society, but those are the best as per Google. So you can take those, and my biggest kind of advice here is to actually research them. Check out their website, understand what is different about them. What I'll do here is I will post these because I am not a weight loss expert, and that's what makes this prompt so good. Even though I'm not a weight loss expert, I'll create an irresistible offer for a weight loss coach, right? So simple O, whatever that is, it's an AI of some sort. Wonderful. And Amanda Tres. So voila, we just paste those. Then question 2, what are your competitors doing that absolutely sucks or just feels off? Now here is the thing. I don't know because I have never been to a weight loss program, but I will assume because I was a menopausal coach for a while, and I know what menopausal coaches do that suck. So I can be a bit generic, but if you don't know answers to these questions, research it, because this is gold. You need to know what do your competitors do that absolutely suck. And if you already have clients like 5 to 10 who've experienced previous programs, ask them. The best source of information is your clients. So what do they do that completely suck? I will say cookie cutter approach, because I do know that a lot of programs focus more on a generalized method as opposed to completely personalized. So let's say cookie cutter approaches or courses, little support, little one-on-one support. Let's make me a one-on-one weight loss coach. There we go. So question number 3, what strategies are being taught to your niche that are hard, chunky, or just painful to follow through on? Complex diets with little to no food that I actually enjoy. Let's see, for example, long gym sessions and uncomfortable schedule. There we go. That. Question number 4, after someone uses a competitor's product or service, what's still missing? What pain is still there? This is like a golden question. Let's try to understand. So let's imagine I went through a weight loss program. What's now missing? What kind of desire I still have that is not fulfilled? For example, I now wanna get in shape. Not now that I lost weight, I also want to gain muscle. Still want to gain muscle after I lost weight. Let's say that. Question number 5. What can you add to your service that helps your niche get the result without doing the usual grind? I can personalize my meal plans to their tastes and what they are already eating. This is what we did, by the way, and that's why our offer was so irresistible, because when we were in a menopausal niche, one of the main key points was to eat properly. And a lot of women couldn't follow a meal plan because it wasn't what they usually eat, and that's normal. We human beings, we have our habits, we want to eat what we eat, and when we try to do a completely different things, what ends up happening is we don't like it, therefore we fall off. What we did is we just analyzed what they're already eating, and we took the healthiest parts of that and added some of the other healthy parts. That way they had a very semi-enjoyable meal experience, and that's why they actually could follow it, and that's why they could lose weight and feel better. So I can personalize my meal plans to their taste and what they're already eating. That's number 1. Let's say I won't include long gym sessions. They can work out from home. Here we go. Question 6. What can you offer that directly solves these leftover pain points the competitors leave behind? A second stage that's included with a back-end offer of, let's say, 2K, where we now work on their tuning and muscle growth. And by the way, that's literally it. You can solve problem number 1, you can then sell a solution number 2. If you're in a weight loss niche, for example, most people first want to lose weight, then they want to gain muscle. Not vice versa, because they understand that they cannot lose weight, but they can lose weight and gain muscle at the same time, but a lot of people don't think in that way. So let's use it to our advantage and their advantage. Let's first focus on losing weight, and once they have a 25% fat level, you can then offer to work with them longer on gaining muscle. That way you have two offers. The front end offer is for fat people. That's the back end offer. So the offer that comes afterwards is for people who already lose weight with you. So a second stage that's included with the back end offer of 2K, where we can work together on returning and muscle growth. There we go. We completed task 1 and task 2. Question 7. What are the top 3 limiting beliefs holding your ideal clients back from taking action? Those are super important, because what do you think those limiting beliefs are? Those limiting beliefs are the objections you're getting on your sales calls. So number 1 would be, this won't work for me. I can't lose weight while enjoying what I eat. And those are real ones, by the way, that and that's why I like ChatGPT. You see, it reconfirms with me. Those are the things that I found when I was working with women in menopause that couldn't lose weight. So those are real life examples. So this won't work for me. I can lose weight while enjoying what I eat. And the third one would be, I can't lose weight while enjoying what I eat. I won't be able to be consistent. There we go. So question, what 3 new beliefs do they need to adopt to break through and take action with you? In other words, those things are the things that you promote in your content, and those are the things you create a VSL with. Like, you use these points that you're discovering during this process and thinking in every other part of your business. That's why creating an offer this particular way gives you so much more clarity. So what are the 3 new beliefs do they need to adopt to break through and take action with you? Well, number 1, just do the opposites of those 3. It works for everyone since it's personalized. 2 is, I can wait while enjoying what I eat, because it's not only about what, about when. Let's see. And third one, I will be able to be consistent because I will continue doing what I already do. Those are the 3 new beliefs that they need to adopt. Nailed it. So, question number 9. What are 3 clear wins your offer delivers? Number 1, let's say weight loss. Number 2, feeling confident and accomplished about themselves. And let's say, what would be the third thing that they're clear wins your offer delivers? A better relation with themselves and others. Ideally speaking, those 3 things must be what your clients already tell you they want. That's why it's so important to ask your clients, like, what are the 3 clear wins you got from working with me? I will assume you have some clients. If you don't, then here we gotta work with ourselves and think, because if you solve this problem for yourself in the past, so for example, I know that when I lost 20 kilos or 40 pounds, number 1, the tangible win was that I lost weight. I felt confident and accomplished about myself, and I had a better relationship with myself and other people. Now, the more tangible those things are, the better, by the way. So for example, if you want to be super specific, what else went away is acne. I had a lot of hormonal acne because of the weight gain. Therefore, I lost it. And this could be here. I fit in my clothes now as well. Yes. Then, question number 10. What niche group do you help? So be specific: age, identity, struggles, busy professional, women over 30 who've tried every diet. Now, in menopause, it was actually business women who are tired of HRT medication and pills that don't work. Super specific. And the more specific you are with your niche group, the better it is, because it's easier to target them. When you call them out in your content, if you are a woman in her 40s dealing with weight gain, you tried yo-yo dieting and you didn't like it, I got this for you. The more specific you are, the better it is. Why? Because if you're in a big crowd, let's say you're a man, your name is John, and you're dealing with weight gain. I target men whose name is John because I found through my market research that Johns, in general, have the money to afford me, they have the problem I solve, and they really want to solve it. If you're in a huge crowd of people, and I just call out people, a lot of people will turn to me, but the amount of qualified Johns in there will be little. I can divide it by 2 by calling out men specifically. So I can say men. Now men turn to me. And yes, more of them will be qualified because I do have a feeling I will find more Johns there because they're men. Now, if I do call out John in the crowd, only Johns will turn to me. So I just called out the most qualified people who have the money to pay me, who have the problem I solve, and who want to solve it. So by being very specific with who you call out in your content, in your offer, in your delivery, allows you to skip and cut through all the unqualified leads that would never become your clients anyway. So be specific. Let's say I help men, or no, let's be super specific. Men that are business owners in a high ticket coaching space, over 25 years old, that are tired of being able to go to gym since they are so busy. There we go. That would be quite specific. What is the most painful problem they want gone right now? What's frustrating them? Love handles. Let's see. Question number 2. What's the most desired role they've been chasing but still haven't hit to be in an amazing shape and have a six-pack? There we go. Question number 13. What's the one thing they hate doing about but feel forced to? Let's say fast, go to the gym. Question number 14. How long does your program or system take to deliver results? Let's say 60 days. Question 15. What's the name of the method, system, or process you use? Now, this is why it's important actually, because you can include it in your offer and make it more interesting. Let's say that my name of the method is body, mind, heart connection. Let's make it extra vada vada. So, task 4, plug into the offer generic. There you go. Now you have a long form irresistible offer and short form. I make it unreasonable for high ticket coaches to get in shape without the gym using the body mind heart connection method. You can put this in your bio straight away and you will be better than 60% of the coaches out there that don't have that. Now, what we want is your full offer positioning, your unique USP, and your value stack. Yes, please create me all 3, not 33. So banger offer, positioning, most high ticket. This is what you can write in your sales page, or in the description of your community, or in the description of whatever, because this is exactly what this calls exactly to your niche, what you do and how you do it. So most high ticket coaches over 25 drowning in client work, skipping meals, skipping workouts, and still hating what they see in the mirror. I build a system that makes it unreasonable not to get in incredible shape without stepping foot in a gym, fasting, or eating food you hate. It's called the mind body heart connection, and in just 60 days you'll not only drop the love handles, you'll build a body you actually respect. No BS, just results built around your schedule. You can post it anywhere. Unique USP is a unique sales proposition. Why are you different? So unlike cookie cutter weight loss programs with long ass courses and no support, I work with what you're already doing. Personalized meal plans built around your existing food habits, home-based workouts, and don't require a gym, a 2-stage system that first strips the fat and then builds the muscle. You're not starting over, you're upgrading what's already there. Value stack is what's inside. So a 60-day transformational game plan, tailored meal system, home-based strength training protocol, weekly one-on-one check-ins plus real-time adjustments, upgrade path, stage 2 muscle plan, and mindset plus identity work. I mean, we didn't even write this out. It just knows that those are the things that we need to include in a value stack. And guess what this value stack allows you to do? It allows you to price yourself high. Because if you would have just this, you could sell it for $200. With this, you can sell it for $600. With this, you can sell it for $1,000. Adding weekly one-on-one check-ins plus real-time adjustments allows you to charge it at $1,500. Trade Path is another $2,000 offer that is completely different. Mindset plus identity work. Add extra $500 on top. There you go. You get a $2,000 program that you created in 15 minutes while answering questions. Now you can create other things. So, for example, can you create me a client journey path day by day, week by week? There you go. And now you have a checklist. Week 1, foundation. You can take that, literally put it in your Google Doc or Notion Doc, and now you can present something to your clients whenever they ask, so what is it I'm going to get out of this? There you go. And you can adjust it to fit your method, because I am not a weight loss expert. This one would work for me, and I can guarantee you I could sell it for $2,000 easily. So this is how we do this. This is how we create the irresistible offer. By the end of this process, you have clear idea of what you do and how you do it. Make sure that you answer all the questions properly, because that's where the power comes from. Because now you know what you didn't know before, and that is all from questions. Yeah, I know. Crazy. That would be it for today, comrades. Enjoy the prompt in the description down below. Wishing you a wonderful day. That would be the end.